Yellow. Roller go slow, we're like a polo.
Oh, hi guys. Welcome to my home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a Trader Joe's haul today. I'm super excited. I've never been to Trader Joe's. Pause, don't mind the background noise. My house is literally never quiet, so I hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, so yeah, Trader Joe's for the first time today, so if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So one of the first things that I got was the Gummy XOXOs. I thought these would be super cute for the girls. And we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day party with their little friends at home, so I thought these would be super cute. Next up, I bought the Just Mango Slices. These are literally just mango slices, so they don't have any additional sugars or anything like that. Now they do have natural sugars, but nothing like added. So I thought these would be super yummy and pretty healthy for snacking. I also stocked up on some produce, so I got some cucumbers, organic. I got organic carrots. There's more produce in another bag. Let's see. So I did get some cheese. We're gonna make some homemade pizza, so I got some mozzarella cheese. It's the Trader Joe's brand. Next, I got some of this grilled chicken strips. It looks like literally like real chicken. I normally buy a rotisserie chicken at the grocery store and I eat it for my lunches when I'm trying to eat healthy. But I thought this looked really, really good. It doesn't have a lot of added ingredients. It's just chicken. And then I also got this. Now I'm sure you guys have seen this 1,000,005 times all over Instagram, but I have never tried it before. My friend Gwen, she actually just started a YouTube channel where she talks about her diet as a bikini model. I'll link her channel down below, but Gwen recommended or her followers try this. So I absolutely love her, so I'm sure it's good. It's everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. So I'm super excited to put this on my avocado toast and my sandwiches. I also got this cauliflower pizza crust. I'm super excited to try this. If you're not following my Instagram, go follow it, because I'm sure when I do make it, I will post how I make it on my Instagram. I got some chicken pot stickers. We're gonna have Chinese night, so I got some of these. I got some pomegranate seeds. I love to put these in my smoothie bowls in the morning for breakfast. Super yummy. I also got these cute little mini heart cookies. I'm assuming these are seasonal for Valentine's Day, I'm pretty sure. But they're dark chocolate covered shortbread cookies, and they're the Trader Joe's brand. I'm super excited to try these. I thought they'd be super cute for the girls' party. So I also stocked up on some salami. My girls love salami. I'm not sure if that's the healthiest thing, but that's pretty much their favorite lunch ever, is salami and cheese and crackers. So I always like to stay stocked up on salami. And then I also picked up some pepperoni for our pizza night and this little 3-pack for pizza night. I also got some eggs. We were running low, so I picked up some eggs. And then I also got these 2 pizza crusts. It's organic. They're wood-fired pizza crust. So I thought these would be really good if Trevor isn't a fan of the cauliflower pizza crusts. So I will definitely keep you posted on my Instagram whether or not we like these. And then a good trick, if your kids eat a lot of bananas, my kids go through bananas like crazy. And so a really good trick is to buy some that are ready to eat, because you're not supposed to eat your bananas until they're brown and spotted. A lot of people, that freaks them out, but that's actually when they're their sweetest. So I always buy 2 bundles, 1 bundle for her to eat now and 1 green bundle that will ripen and she could eat later. I also got this sauce to try. It's the Trader Joe's Green Dragon hot sauce. My husband is obsessed with hot sauce and I thought he just had to try this. It's organic ingredients. There's no added junk. It's just made from Whole Foods, which is pretty cool. So I will let you guys know what we think about this. Got some new potatoes. Apples. We go through apples like crazy in my house. Strawberries. This is like a weekly must-have, is strawberries, apples, and bananas. I also got some shredded Parmesan cheese for our pizza night. First up, I got these chocolate and vanilla French macaroons. I love macaroons, and when I saw these, I literally could not pass them up. So I'm really excited to try these. I got some chicken spring rolls for our Chinese food night. I think we're gonna do that tonight. I just wanted to try a few things from Trader Joe's. They are known for their orange chicken, which I did pick some of that up as well, but we got these to go with it. Then I'm actually being kind of bad and I got these Trader Joe's dark chocolate toasted sesame caramels. I couldn't pass these up. I'm like so excited to try them. I got some green beans. We make green beans in my house all the time. Then I picked up the 3 famous Chinese things from Trader Joe's. It's the chicken fried rice. They're really known for this. Also their vegetable fried rice, but we just did it with chicken. I got the famous Trader Joe's orange chicken. It's the Mandarin orange chicken. Everyone talks about this. And then we got the Kung Pao chicken as well to try. So I'm super excited for Chinese night. I also picked up some cheese snack sticks for the girls. And then I got some prepared meats. So I picked up the peppercorn, garlic, boneless pork tenderloin, and the carne asada. So I thought these would be great for the crock pot, super easy, quick meals. So that is all for my Trader Joe's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite Trader Joe's grocery item is, or any item for that matter. They have a ton of stuff there. Let me know your favorites down below so I can try them out. Also, let me know if you've tried any of these and if they're good or bad. I'm excited to try. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications, and also go follow my Instagram. I'm pretty active on there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.